Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to teach you guys how to log in and check your Jamb results in your portal. For some of you guys having issue checking it using your phone number, which is through the SMS. So this method is for you. So you go to your there and you search for Jamb portal this time around. Jamb portal login. So once you search for it, you click on this Jamb, the first option, Jamb login. So it will bring you to option like this. For me now, I have the password, but for you, you don't have the password now. So what you will do is, remember, it's not that you already have account, but you don't have the. So you come here and click on forget password and input the email you use to register your Jamb here. So if you input and click on reset, so you see you have selected send it. So now let's go to our browser and wait for the, and here you can see the link with the password. So what you do is you just copy the password. So you just copy the password and go back to log in and log in again. And here you are on your portal. Here you are on your portal. So what you do now is, remember, in also here, that's when we check, you can see check UTME examination results, UTME registration correction. All this you can do it yourself without going to Jamb office. So now here what you are going to do is you click on this print results slip. You click on it. If you click on it, mine shows like this because the years I've already wrote my jams, so and I've already made the payment for it. You are to pay 1.5 to. So if you come here, and remember I'm using my account, which is the account I used to roll jam quite years ago. So if I click on this and click on this here, and you can see it says download it, and if I download it, I'm downloading the PDF to my original result. And yeah, so yours will be 2025. 2025. So you just select the age and print it, and before the printing there is payment you need to make, because if you are doing this in Jamb office, which is where basically some of you would do it due to you don't have idea that you can just do it with your smartphone. If you come to your home page, you will see here where they say my payment. Now if I click on there, you will see I made 1.5 for each of the year. I paid 1.5 for it, which is this and this. You can see the money paid 1.5. So you will actually, when you click on the first time you click on it, it will ask you for the 1.5 payment with some charges on top. So once you pay for it, you will print out your original results. You will be in PDF, so you just take the PDF to any cafe and they will print it out for you. And that's the same thing they do for you in the Jamb center, which you guys will pay about 2,500 or 3,000 for. So this is just an information I'm sharing for you guys. So like I said, this is my account I use for years. So I will try and use a new account of this here. Let me show you example for that. All right, so this a profile of um exam rating this year. So you can see the Jamb here 2025, and if I come to the print, where is it, print results, yeah, you can see it's showing I should make the transaction. This is what I'm saying. So after paying the 15, your result will be available to print anytime you click the print results. You just click on there, and once you tap on it, your result will be downloaded, and you just go and print it. And if I come to my payments here, you can see it's pending because I just initiate it. You can see the price here, 15. So once you pay it, you print out your original result, and I will pretty show you how example of the original result. And let's go back again to print result. So this is actually how the original results look like, and that's how it should be. So that's it for this video. If you have any issue again, don't forget to comment it in the comment section, and I will also make a video about it.